The foot spa massager with Shiatsu Balls offers an automatic rotary massage with 6 groups of three-dimensional Tai Chi massage balls, providing a soothing experience for your feet. It features precise temperature control that allows you to adjust the water temperature from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 118 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining your desired warmth. The detachable massage base and balls make cleaning the foot spa easy and hygienic, while the large touchscreen ensures effortless operation. Rich bubble jets effectively stimulate acupressure points on your soles, and the built-in timer allows for customizable sessions from 10 to 60 minutes for a relaxing home spa experience. The collapsible design of the foot spa allows it to be folded down to only 5.5 inches thick, making it convenient for storage in small spaces. Practical details like the support rod prevent accidental folding during use, and the drain hole ensures that pouring out water is effortless.